As just mentioned, we are now thinking about the object-oriented modeling of our classes. As we can see here, we have formulated our classes in files, and we still have to fill them. So all of these classes, whether it's Charmander, Charizard, Charmeleon, Fire Pokemon class, or anything else, we didn't have code anything in there. So because of that, we need to fill them. But as a small note, you might recognize this. We wrote one Python file per class. Summing up several classes in one Python file makes it hard to understand and hard to maintain. So because of that, we want to have only one reason for each class to change it. So if we want to change Aqua Pokemon, we want to go directly to Aqua Pokemon class. We do not want to create, for example, a type Pokemon file and then store like Aqua class, Fire class, and Grass class in it. Like for example, like this. Aqua Pokemon. So we write here something, and then here we have like the Fire Pokemon. So several types in one file. This makes it hard to maintain. We want to keep it clean. So for each class, a separate file. So if we want to search for the class, we just know it by the name in the folder directory. This is part of the clean architecture. So what I want to show you now is that we need to think about some stuff. We need to think about our Pokemon and how we group them together. So for the creation of the data objects, we will now consider what common features all Pokemon classes have. When we then write them into a Pokemon class. So everything what all Pokemon share, whether it's the Aqua, a Grass, or a Fire Pokemon, and they all share the same, we can store it in the Pokemon class. What differ, we will store in these classes. So we know that Aqua may differ from Grass in the type. So we will store this in separate classes. Next, and in the last step, we will implement the concrete classes like Squirtle, Bulbasaur, or Charmander. So let's go on and do this.